Hello, praisers and savers. My name is Sandy, and welcome back to my channel. Today is March the 17th, and we are heading to Target. Now, in this video, it is an all digital deals, so we're not actually clipping any paper coupons. We're just using our phone to score on some awesome deals. Now, as always, there is a printable breakdown in the description box, so no need to write any of these deals down. The printable breakdown is a link in the description box, so you can just pull it up on your phone to take in the store with you. Makes it easy peasy for you. So always check your app when you start couponing, because this week in my app there was a $5 off when you spend $30 on a store-wide purchase. And everyone has different offers, but this was a pretty awesome offer and really helped to bring my out-of-pocket way down on my purchase. I was really excited about these Blue Buffalo Tasteful purees. It's like a treat for the cat. I was so excited to get a decent one because we do have a cat and there just hasn't been great deals on cat food and dog food. And so, whenever it's time for, those deals on cat food and dog food come up, always stock up. And this is a good example of why you need to stock up, because this is not the actual deal. So this is a buy one, get one 60% off, but you had to do it in a drive up, delivery, or an order pickup. So I wasn't even able to score this deal like I thought. I was, excited. I checked out the store, but wonk wonk on this deal. But I still bought these. They were $2.19 each because, like I said, my cat needs them. So they were $2.19. I ended up buying four of them. So if you're able to do the pickup or delivery on these, $2.19 with the 60% off, and I bought four. You have to buy four for this deal to work. It would be about $1.52 each for each one. And then there is so that would cost about $6.08. Now, on the Shop Me app, there is a dollar off coupon. And then on the IBOTTA app, there's a 75-cent coupon when you buy three. So the dollar off when you buy four and 70 cents rebate when you buy three. It's going to make these $4.33 all together for these, or about $1.09 each on these. And then I wanted to show you this picture for these because it looks like one of those applesauce or those baby food things. And it's so funny because I got home and I said, "Look, I bought you some applesauce," to my husband, and he was like, "That is not applesauce," but it looks like those little pouches, those little yogurt pouches that little kids eat. But anyways, $1.09 for each one of these if you're able to do the pickup deal on these. Love a good deal on the sunscreen like this, the travel size sunscreen. It is already getting pretty warm out here in South Carolina. I like to put little sunscreens like this in my car because I put sunscreen on my hands when I'm driving. I have very freckly hands and I always worry about the sun on my hands. So this is a travel size of the Neutrogena sunscreen. It's a 70 SPF, is at $1.99 for these. The $1.50 on the Target app is attaching. So it's going to make these sunscreens just 49 cents. Great thing to stock up. And if you don't need it, a good thing to put in blessing bags. So the Skintimate razors are $6.49. There are some cheaper razors, like the ones that you kind of like, I guess you could shape your eyebrows with. But I don't use those. So I just decided to get what I always use. And these are $6.49. There is a $4 coupon on the Target app, which is a high value coupon. That's going to bring these razors down to $2.49. Just a good little deal on razors, and you don't really have to do anything but scan the item in the store, and the coupon automatically comes off. Such an easy peasy deal, making it $2.49. Savers, I have tons of more deals to show you, but I want to show you one of my newest and most favorite gadgets that we have in our house to make my life easier being a mom of a large family. And if you love it, the link is in the description box. Check it out. All right, so we have the new RoboRock. This is the vacuum and mop combo. This is pretty neat because it will vacuum and mop in one pass. So it's returning now to its home base. It's done mapped out our one of the floors of the house, and I think this floor of this house is about 2,500 square feet. And so it took about not even 30 minutes to map it out. Clean water goes there with the solution. This is going to be the dirty that you'll clean out, and this is the dust bin. So it's pretty neat. And then underneath it, you didn't see it, but I'm going to lift this up real quick for you to see it. There's air dryers right here that dries off after it's mopped, and then right there is a bristle brush for it to clean off the bristles after every pass. Guys, it is time to lotion up those knees. We do not want to see ashy knees this summer. So the Vaseline lotion is $3.99. It is on sale, buy one, get one 25% off, but I only bought one. And then I used this $2.50 coupon on the Target app. It's going to make the lotion $1.49. Now, if you did want to do the buy one, get one 25% off, there is the same coupon on the Shopmium app. So if you bought one at $1.50, because that's what it would cost, then you would get the second one for just 50 cents if you did the buy one, get one 25% off deal. All right, we have the Dove shampoo or Dove conditioner hair care. The one I chose was $3.99. There's a $2 coupon on the Target app, making the Dove hair care just $1.99. Now, there are the more expensive Dove products, hair products, and this coupon applies to those as well. So just make sure that you scan the items on the Target app so you can apply the coupon. So I've never used a shampoo bar or hair care bar like a soap bar. This is the Love Beauty and Planet shampoo and conditioner bar. These are $4.99. There is a high valued $4.50 coupon on the Target app attaching. So this shampoo bar is just going to be 49 cents. Have you ever used these bars? Let me know in the comments. So we have a double offer going on with the Palmolive dish soap. The cheapest one they have is the Palmolive Lavender Lime. It is $3.19. There is a 30% off offer. Now, 30% off of $3.19 is about 96 cents. And then there is a $1 Target Circle offer. So with the $1 Target Circle offer and the 96 cents off, it's going to be about $1.23 for the Palmolive dish soap. So the air freshener refills, this is a pretty decent coupon. They're usually $5.99, and I have a bunch of these machines that we've gotten free over the years. But there's a $3 coupon for the refills, and it's going to make these just $2.99 after that $3 coupon. So I get this Neutrogena Clear Pore Oil Eliminating Astringent every time that it's on sale. So these are $6.79. There is a high valued $4 coupon on the Target app. It's going to make these $2.79 for these. So that's a pretty decent deal because I do have a bunch of teenagers in my house and this always comes in handy. So $2.79 for the astringent. So we have a little money maker on the Tide Rescue Laundry Stain Remover. Now it's usually $4.99. It's on sale this week for $3.74. So you automatically save $1.25 if you don't do anything else. So $3.74. Well, you have to mail in this $3 mail-in rebate, and I've mailed them in before and I've gotten the money back. So you'll mail that in, and when you mail that $3 rebate in, that's like paying 74 cents for this Tide stain remover. But the deal gets even better. than that. After that, on the Target app, there is a, let me see, here it is. There is a $1 coupon on the Target app. So we'll have that $1 coupon that comes off. And then on top of that, there is a 75-cent Ibotta rebate on the Ibotta app. So you'll save $3 with the rebate, $1 with the coupon on the Target app, and 75 cents from the Ibotta app. This is going to make this a moneymaker of $1.02. But I thought about it a little bit. I do have to mail the rebate in, so I had to pay for the cost of a stamp as well. But still decent on this for a moneymaker of $1.02. This is a must in my house. This is the Downy Wrinkle Release Spray. With so many kids, I do not need to be ironing clothes all the time, but this deal is going to not last very long. So by tomorrow, it'll be gone off Ibotta. So this spray is usually $8.39 per bottle, but we're going to be getting it down to $2.80. Okay, so they are buy one, get one 50% off. With the buy one, get one 50% off, it's like paying $6.30 for each bottle. So picking up 2 bottles, your total is going to be $12.60. There is a $2 Ibotta rebate on the Ibotta app. With that $2 Ibotta rebate, you can do it twice. You're going to get back $4. Then you're going to submit your receipt to Fetch. When you do, you're going to get back 3,000 Fetch reward points, or about $3. With the Ibotta rebate and the Fetch rebate, your total for everything is going to be $5.60, or about $2.80 for each bottle. We always need these Mr. Clean Magic Erasers. And I almost messed up on this deal because I didn't think it was working. But you need to buy these 6 pads. I scanned the 4 pads at first and the coupon didn't attach. Good thing. Make sure you scan the 6 pads, because the 6 pads and the 4 pads are the same price, which is odd. They're both $5.59. So scan the 6 pads, $5.59. There is a $3 off coupon on the app for the Mr. Clean. That $3 off coupon is going to come off. It's going to make your total $2.59 for the Magic Eraser. Decent deal on these Magic Erasers. All right, guys, that is all I have for you today in this video. Everything that I showed you in this video all together was about $17. That's right, altogether about $17, or around about $1.20 per item, which is an awesome deal, considering my total started at over $70 and I brought it all the way down to $17. So good deals this week at Target. It's a little bit different because we're not doing the, gift card promotions this week, but still really great deals. Let me know in the comments if you score.